One of my favorite tools for teaching is using an application called iPro. So I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to go to the iReal Pro application here. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, it opens into this application. And you can see it shows you a chart of the music here, has a list of the songs, the composer, and the style of music it is in the middle section. Over here, it gives you a library. You can play all the songs that you have. I right now have 2,397 songs. 1,300 of those are jazz, and then 25 contemporary songs. And then these are songs from real books that I've downloaded from their website. So let's search for a song called Lullaby of Birdland. And as you can see, just from the first word, lullaby, gives me these choices. So I want this one by George Shearing. So we click on that. And as we can see over here, we have the song Lullaby of Birdland by George Shearing. And it has all the chord changes. So what I typically do is I tell my students, I want you to learn to play the melody. And I will email them a copy of the chart, which shows the melody. And since I have bass students, they can see that it's in bass clef, shows the title of the song, tells them the tempo, and they can see all the notes of the melody. So while they're looking at this, they also are going to open their iReal Pro chart. And as you can see here, it has these functions which will let you be able to manipulate how many times repeats. So we're just going to have it repeat once for this demonstration. So I'm going to change that to 1 and then hit enter. And I'm going to put the tempo at 120 beats per minute and then hit enter. And then we're in the right key, which is A flat major, or as we know in music, that can also be F minor. And then while they're reading the chart for the melody, they can play along using this iReal Pro so they can hear background music. And when you hit on play, this is what it sounds like. Get a count off. So that's the melody they're going to be playing while they're listening to an accompaniment playing behind them. Pretty cool. So at any point they can stop, they can go back, they can change the number of repeats, they can go over here where there's a little mixer. So since they're playing the bass, they can reach over here and turn the bass down since they're going to be playing bass. Go back over here and hit play, and now they can hear it without the bass. And they can play along with just the drums and the piano. So I find that to be a good application to use for teaching music for bass students to learn how to play melodies.